On the wooden floor, like it came here just to stay a while. I breathe slow, matching its rhythm, letting the quiet say what I can't. The record spins a little uneven, a vintage hum beneath the tunes, and every crackle feels familiar, like memories in dusted gold. I close my eyes and lean back, letting the day melt into calm. And I stay here in this gentle afternoon light, wrapped in a softness I can't name, but always feel. The world moves far away while I remain in this warm corner, belonging to nothing else but the peace around me. Maybe comfort lives in moments that don't ask for